Hi everyone and welcome to another Plan With Me video. If you are new here, my name is Marta and on my channel I post content about time and house management for working moms. So make sure that you subscribe down below and let's get going with planning for the next week. So this is a week before Christmas, as that's what we should say since Christmas is next week. So lots of preparation, lots of planning for work, for home, for my side business. So let's get started. So if you have not seen any of my previous videos, the way I like to use this Erin Condren life planner is I have this vertical spread for each day, and I like to divide it into my work section, my household section, and my side business section. Okay, and since I don't work on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, those three sections are family and self. I work 10-hour days, Monday through Friday. This is why I get to have Friday off, and the weekend is obviously off for me. So next, what I do like to do is look at my work schedule first. I look at it on my computer or on my phone, and then I figure out how my meeting schedule looks like each day, so I can figure out what are my priorities for the day. I don't put any meetings over here unless that's something really important that I need to prep, but I just want to list priorities for each day. And yes, if you have watched my previous videos, this is the third time I am putting this on my calendar for something to do. There is a reason why I put it on Thursdays. Usually that's at the end of the week. I want to make sure that this is something I need to catch up on. If I don't do it this week, that's going to be put on priority for next week because it has to be done by the end of the month. But this is just how it works. We can do planning, and then depending on what is happening at work or at home, priorities shift. So I'm just showing that to you so you know that my way of planning and my way of managing time is, as the channel's name is, imperfect. But that's just how life is. So now that I have more or less just a few things for each day, there's just a few big things I'm working on. That's why it's kind of a bear as you look at the schedule. But as the week goes on, I do fill it out. Next thing, we're gonna move on is household. So I'm gonna start with my meal plan. So I know it's gonna be extremely busy week. So I did put takeout for 2 days. It might differ on what days I take it. I said that in my previous videos, I do put a menu for each week, but I don't necessarily stick to a specific meal for a specific day. I try to, but if I am running late because I am working on something at work or whatever that may be, and I don't have time for a a specific meal I put in, I just choose something else from the list. That gives me some flexibility, but I do have some items to choose from. And then we're gonna put workouts. Okay, so I do have my workouts, I have my menu. Now we're gonna look at the household, and I'm gonna check on my phone to see what types of things are happening this week. So first I'm gonna put any activities that my kids are having this week. Then what we're gonna do is we have some appointments this week that I'm gonna mark over here as well. So those are the main things happening. I just put a note of it. And then what I want to do is put in what I typically do is some cleaning tasks that I have for my house. What I'm also gonna do is look at my deep cleaning list and figure out what I have done this week, and cross that off and figure out if there is something else that I need to do this week. So there was not that much progress. I did clean the fridge this week and the microwave. I did the baseboards. Actually, my husband did some of them yesterday. And the light fixtures went down. Yep, I think that's all I did. As you may remember, last week I did have plans to do the kitchen cabinets. My work got absolutely crazy last week, and so that's just a lot of things were happening last week, so I did not get to it. And this is something, like I said in my previous video, I am trying to get done before Christmas. I do not know if I will be able to do that. So I will put on my kitchen lid here. I'll put a note. Well, no, not with that pen. That I do want a deep clean. And hopefully I'll have time to do some of those things, either the cabinets, at least on the outside. That's my priority. Inside, if I can. There's few of them that are clearly dirty that I really want to get to. So that is my plan. Kitchen pantry, that's another big one. So it's the outside and a kitchen pantry, and obviously a backsplash, because it's just getting out of control. And as I'm gonna be cooking for Christmas, I would like to just have it, cleaner. And the other thing I would like to do this week is bathroom, deep cleaning of the bathroom. So I'll do the same thing for my bathrooms. I'm just gonna put a deep cleaning of them. So as I'm already cleaning there, just do a little bit better job of getting into all those nooks and crannies. But that's basically a plan with the deep cleaning. And for my Christmas checklist, I did send out the cards, and I will do the grocery shopping later on today. And that's the one failure I would say of this year. I still didn't purchase all the gifts like I planned to. the end of November. So it is what it is. I said it's not a lot that I have left, but I do need to finish that up this week. So I'm just gonna put it on this day because it's an easier day after work. That anything I didn't get done to today, which is Sunday, I'm gonna finish on Tuesday. And then we're gonna move on to the last section, which is my side business. And for this, what I'm gonna do is I'll just use a couple of those stickers to indicate what things are happening on a specific day, which is on Tuesdays I do my blog post, and then Wednesday and Sunday are my video days. So Sundays is the plan with me. On Wednesday I will have a video up from this weekend, which is just lots of cleaning and preparing for the birthday celebration of my daughter. So it's gonna be kind of like clean and decorate, I guess. And on Tuesday, it's the blog post from last week, which I did not get to post, so I need to do that next week, which is how to get motivated to clean and organize. So if you have seen my previous videos, I don't do a lot of things actually for my business during the week. It's gonna be things that I don't finish up basically today. So I'm gonna do those during the week. My big week or my big workload for the week is Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, since those are my days off, and that's when I do get up early and I work on those things. And usually I do, it's kind of like that where I put a lot of things on Friday and Saturday because usually I don't finish something, and I will do that on Sunday morning. So that's basically it for the side business. Now for the family side of things, I usually don't plan too many things. I think I'm gonna have to get better with putting it on a calendar. Like for example, one of my favorite things to do is on Sunday is taking a bath for myself. It's just something I really enjoy. So I'm gonna just put it over here this week. I try to do it every Sunday, and funny thing is, lately I basically have been doing that in the morning because I tended to leave it at the end of the day, and either I was playing with kids and I didn't want to kind of take the time away from them when we're in the middle of something, or somebody came over, or I had to finish cleaning in the kitchen, and it's just, sometimes just didn't happen. So I'm like, well, I don't have to wait for the evening, I can just do it in the morning, and it has been working out really, really well. The other things that I do wanna do is I'm gonna put a book over here because I do like to read for pleasure, not just personal development books, not just business books, but something just for myself. So I'm gonna put those two things here. As far as family, I will put Christmas lights over here. At like a light show that I bought tickets a while ago for. We didn't go to see it yet, so I do want to make sure we do it this weekend. I put family dinner for Saturday. We usually get together with same family members every weekend. Now, what I did not put over here, now I just realized, is wrapping gifts, and I'm gonna put it for Saturday because that's when kids are not home. And that is basically it for the week. Like I said in my previous videos, the bottom portion I usually do to plan out my social media content for my side business. So I'm not gonna do it in this video because I am basically not ready to do that yet. I have to look at some things. So if I wanna get this video out today, I'm gonna have to do that later on today. But that is basically it. This is how the week basically looks like. It doesn't look busy at all. Like I said in my previous videos, the purpose for me planning it out like that is to put just the very main things I want to accomplish. Once I start on Monday morning, things at work are gonna start popping up. I'm gonna have to put it over here to make sure I finish them. Anything that's household related. And now that I'm just thinking about it, another thing I have to do is I have to send some gifts for the teachers. So I think I'm gonna do that here. So this is, I'm gonna put family, and here I'm gonna put gifts for teachers. Just something I need to drop off at the school office. I have it ready, it just needs to be dropped off. But this is how it's happening throughout the week. If I forget something, I'll put it in. Like I said, depending on how today goes, as far as my side business, if I have not finished something, I'll do little things throughout the week in the morning before I start work. But I don't plan for that until I get to the end of Sunday because I just don't know. So that's the type of planning that I do. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have been planning with me and you are getting ready to tackle another week. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, make sure that you are subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.